Good morning, students. In this video lesson, we will study about the human respiratory system in detail. Human respiratory system consists of a pair of nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and the alveoli. The respiratory organ that participate in the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen is lungs. The first part of respiratory system from where the air enters into the body is nose, which consists of nostrils and nasal chamber. Nostrils are the external opening of the nose. They are also called as external nares. Similarly, a pair of internal opening is also present inside the nostrils. They open into the pharynx. These internal openings are called as internal nares. Nasal chamber. The space between the external and the internal nare is known as nasal chamber. Internally, each one is lined by a mucous membrane. Ciliated epithelium is also present in the nasal chamber. It is divided into right and left parts by a cartilage known as mesenteroid. Next is pharynx. Nasal chambers open into the pharynx. It is a short vertical tube measuring about 12 cm in length. The respiratory and the food passages cross each other in the pharynx by two separate passages. Its upper part is known as nasopharynx, which help in conduction of air, and the lower part is called laryngopharynx or oropharynx, which help in conduction of food to the esophagus. In the pharynx, there are tonsils, which are made up of lymphatic tissues. They kill bacteria trapped in the mucus. Larynx. It is the sound producing organ, hence called as sound box. In male, the larynx increases in size at the time of puberty and known as Adam's apple, which can be easily noticed in the neck region of the male. From the pharynx, air enter into the larynx through an opening called glottis. The glottis is guarded by a flap called epiglottis. It prevents the entry of food particle into the respiratory passage. Along the side of glottis, there are two folds of elastic tissues known as vocal cord. These are responsible for producing sound. Trachea. It is also known as windpipe. It is about 12 cm long and 2.5 cm wide. It lies in front of the esophagus and extends downward into the neck. The wall of the trachea is made up of fibrous muscular tissue supported by C-shaped cartilaginous rings. These rings are 16 to 20 in number. They make the trachea rigid. The trachea is internally lined with ciliated epithelium and mucous gland. If an foreign particle enters or any other microorganism enters, it is immediately expelled out by cuffing action. Dust particles get trapped by the mucus. By ciliary movement, they are swept towards the larynx and finally they enter the esophagus. Bronchi or bronchioles. The distal end of the trachea is divided into two bronchi behind the sternum. Each bronchus is supported by a complete ring of cartilage. It enters into the lung of its respective site. On entering the lung, each bronchus further divides into secondary and then tertiary bronchi. Tertiary bronchi divide into many minute bronchioles. Wall of each bronchiole does not have the cartilage rings. Each bronchioles end into a balloon-like alveolus. These alveoli make the lungs spongy and elastic.